A weekend in the countryside. 1. Friday evening. It was Friday evening. Tom, Lisa, David, and Anna were talking in a cafe. They were tired from work and school. Tom said, "Let's go to the countryside this weekend." Lisa smiled, "Great idea. I want fresh air." David said, "We can take my car." Anna added, "Let's bring a tent and sleep under the stars." Everyone was excited. 2. Saturday morning. The next morning, they met at 8 a.m. They packed bags, food, water, sleeping bags, flashlights, and a tent. Lisa brought sandwiches and fruits. Anna brought a first aid kit and a map. Tom and David carried the big tent. They were ready for an adventure. 3. The drive. They drove 2 hours to a small village. The road was quiet. There were green trees, flowers, and cows in the fields. They played music and sang in the car. Anna said, "Look. A lake." David stopped the car. They took photos by the water. Then, they drove a bit more and found a good camping place near a forest. 4. Setting up camp. They got out of the car and looked around. Birds were singing. The wind was soft. The sun was warm. They found a flat place and set up the tent. Tom said, "Let's make a fire." David collected wood. Lisa and Anna made a circle of stones. Soon, they had a small fire. 5. Afternoon walk. After lunch, they went for a walk. They followed a small path into the forest. There were big trees and small animals. They saw a rabbit, a deer, and many birds. Lisa picked flowers. Anna took photos of butterflies. It was quiet and peaceful. 6. Evening time. They came back to the camp before sunset. They sat near the fire and talked. They cooked sausages and marshmallows. Tom played music on his phone. They laughed and told stories. Then, the sky became dark. Stars came out. Anna said, "Look. So many stars." 7. Night in the tent. At 10 p.m., they went inside the tent. It was a bit cold, but they had warm sleeping bags. They talked more and listened to the night sounds. They heard owls and wind in the trees. Lisa said, "I love this place." Soon, they were all asleep. 8. Sunday morning. The next morning, birds were singing again. The sun was bright. Tom woke up first and made tea. They ate a simple breakfast: bread, cheese, and fruit. Anna said, "This is the best breakfast ever." After cleaning the camp, they packed everything. 9. Going home. They left the countryside at 11 a.m. On the way back, they talked about the trip. David said, "Let's do this again next month." Lisa nodded, "Next time, let's stay 2 nights." Tom said, "We can go to the mountains." Everyone smiled. It was a perfect weekend. 10. Back to the city. They arrived home in the afternoon. The city was busy and loud again. But they were happy. They had great memories. They looked at the photos and laughed. Anna wrote in her diary, "This weekend was simple, but beautiful. I felt free.